ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern joins us now. And Richard, there was nothing dramatic on Wall Street today, but we did end the day down from start to finish.
Scott, you got it exactly right, and the key was the start. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was down by 160 points very early this morning. Lots of selling at the open. Again, the problem seems to be a company by the name of General Electric. Yesterday, they cut their dividend in half. The stock fell sharply. Today, it fell by another 4%, 10% in just 2 days, closed at the lowest level we've seen since 2011, $17.90 a share for GE. Who'd have thunk it? Well, that being said, let's take a look at the rest of the market, and it was not terrible. There you see the Dow down 30 points. That's a lot better than minus 160, down 0.13%, 23,409.47. That on volume of 689 million shares. The Nasdaq down 0.3%, almost 20 points at 6,737.87. That on volume of 1,443 million shares. S&P down 0.25%, 6 points at 2,578.87. Well, it was quite a wild day for Buffalo Wild Wings. Its shares went up by an incredible 28% today after the company received a buyout offer from a private firm that already owns Arby's and a substantial stake in Jimmy John's. So they know the restaurant business and they know it well. Ironically, that 28% increase in the stock, guess what? In the last 12 months, its shares have been down by 28%. So you could have bought the stock for the same price a year ago. Now it seems like a big deal, and certainly if you own shares of Buffalo Wild Wings, you had a wild ride today and a good one for sure.
Wow, interesting. Thank you, Richard. Now, any good news for us coming from Home Depot?
Very good news. The stock was up about 1.5%, which for a Dow component is just fine. That's kind of what we expect. Its same-store sales were up by 7.7%, well ahead of expectations. Sadly, part of the reason for that, hurricanes and rebuilding from hurricanes.
Yeah, they sold a lot of items before and after the storm, for sure.
Exactly right.
All right, Richard, thanks so much for the update.
You are welcome.